Hello everyone, welcome to Sandusky District Library's virtual spring story time. We're on week 1. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome to all my Storytime friends. I am so glad you're here. We are on week 1 for spring virtual Storytime. And so today I'm going to share books with you about rain. Because I feel like in the spring, it rains a lot sometimes. So today we're reading Stormy Night by Selena Yoon. One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. The wind was whirring, the trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows. "Don't worry," said Bear. "I'll hold you tight. I'll keep you warm. My love will keep you safe from the storm," he sang to his bunny Floppy. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. He sang his song again. Mama came in to check on Bear. "May I stay with you tonight? I'm so frightened by the storm." Bear was glad to see Mama. He kissed Mama's nose to comfort her. Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. "Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight." Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. Papa laughed and Bear felt better. "But what will make Floppy feel better?" thought Bear. "I know, a book." This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until... boom! A loud crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose and Papa tickled his ear. Mama sang to Bear just like she did when he was a little cub. "We'll hold you tight, we'll keep you warm. Our love will keep you safe from the storm." Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn, and then it was quiet. "What happened to the storm?" "Even storms need their sleep," said Papa. "And so do bears." The end. Okay. So for our rainy day craft, today we are going to make a picture of a rain cloud. So in your Storytime craft kit, you should have a Ziploc bag with things like this in it. If you haven't ordered your Storytime kit, that's okay. You still have time to do it. It'll have this week's and next week's craft in the bag. So you're going to take out all these and you're going to need a glue stick. And what you're going to do is, this is your sun, cloud. These are things to hold, the yarn, pieces of yarn are to hold the rain, all your raindrops. You should have about 9 raindrops. So what I did is I glued my sun down first, and then I glued my cloud, but I left it a little bit open here, and then I glued yarn. I glued the yarn pieces underneath the cloud. And then I took glue and I glued these on top of the yarn. So now it looks like rain, and you can put them however you would like on the pieces of yarn. So now you have a picture of a rainy day. Okay? Okay. My next book is called Tap, Tap, Boom, Boom by Elizabeth Blumill and illustrated by G. Brian Crassus. Dark clouds, tap, tap, damp air. Tap, tap, cold drops of rain dot hair. Street carts appear, umbrellas here. Tap, tap, boom, boom. Tap, tap, boom, boom, crackle, boom. Got a storm, big storm, in bloom, here soon. Sky grumbles, rain tumbles, big weather, you better get under umbrella, boom, boom. That's right, slam, bang, hold tight to umbrella, wind whirls, helter skelter, boom, boom. Tap, 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 slap, feet, shoes flat, feel feet wetter, you'd better go down underground where the water can't get ya, you betcha. Now harder, now faster, big rain, side blaster, the subway is shelter, boom, boom. Downstairs we wait, folks congregate, we squeeze, whose feet and knees are these? Hey, hey, watch spray, we get more wet. Tap, 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 boom, boom. See, big, big fellow with tiny umbrella, it's yellow. Tap, tap, boom, boom. One girl all fancy, she's late for dancing. Can't wait, dash, dash, after lightning flash. The storm above makes friends of strangers. We laugh under cover at thunder and danger. Tall lady with poodle, sees kid, no umbrella. Hands her, no words, just a smile as her hello. Two friends descend, huddle close from weather. Wet side, smiles wide, together is better. Storm ending soon, no tap, no boom. Outside, clear light, bright afternoon. We race upstairs, shake drops off hair. Look up, we cry. Surprise in the sky. Now people scatter through puddles splatter. We wave goodbye. So long, keep dry. Till the next tap, tap, boom, boom. Till the next tap, tap, boom, boom. The end. Okay, my friends. Next week, week 2, we are going to talk robots, and we're going to have a robot craft. So I have a couple books that I wanted to suggest that you could check out at here at the Sandusky District Library. And they are If I Built a Car, CookieBot, and R is for Robot. That's all I have for you this week, and I will see you next week. Okay, are you ready to say our ending poem? Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, all my storytime friends. I will see you next week.